Today, we're diving into a new way to help critically ill patients breathe. Okay, let's get into it. When a patient's lungs are failing, this is one of the toughest questions you can face in the ICU.
The condition is called ARDS. It's when the lungs get so inflamed that oxygen just can't get through.
Doctors use ventilators, but wow, it's a tightrope walk. Too little pressure, the lungs collapse. Too much, they get damaged.
A key setting is called PEEP, but finding that just right amount for each person is a huge challenge.
So what if doctors could actually see a live map of the patient's breathing? That would be a game changer, right? Well, that's what EIT does. Think of it like a real-time weather map, but for airflow inside the lungs.
Okay, but does it actually work? To find out, researchers pulled together data from 9 different studies. So what did they find? First up, a big one. EIT-guided care meant patients got way better oxygenation. And this number shows just how much better. A jump of over 60 points is a really significant improvement. You can see it right here. Almost every study lines up on the side of improvement. That's pretty consistent. And that's not all. Using EIT also made patients' lungs more compliant, basically more flexible and easier to ventilate. This number here represents a solid improvement in how easily the lungs could expand with each breath. And again, the data is just remarkably consistent across the board, showing a clear physiological benefit. But here's the twist. Did these improvements actually reduce lung strain, or even better, save lives? Well, for lung strain, there was a positive trend, but it wasn't quite strong enough to be statistically significant. And crucially, for mortality, the analysis just wasn't big enough to prove that this tech actually saves more lives.
So here's the summary. We have moderate certainty that it improves lung function, but low certainty it saves lives.
The takeaway? EIT definitely helps doctors personalize ventilation, but its impact on survival? We need more research. The authors themselves call it an individualized and physiologically sound strategy, a promising tool for sure. Which leaves us with a big question. Could this live-lung map become the future standard of care?